Good morning, all of you. So today, let me give you, in my last video, I hope you people have understood how to calculate the formulas. Okay, so I told you how to calculate the formulas because we have a three concept, that is gross and net, domestic product and national product, and market price and factor cost. Gross and net is differentiated with depreciation cost. If you want to calculate gross, then we will add depreciation cost in net. If you want to calculate net, then we will subtract depreciation cost from gross. Then second is domestic product and national product. Under domestic product, you have to remember this, that it includes the money value of all final goods and services produced by residents and non-residents operating within the domestic territory. For national product, you have to remember the money value of all final goods and services produced by the normal residents operating either inside or outside the domestic territory in a year. And national product and domestic product is differentiated with the term called net factor income from abroad. And I told you that national product add NFIA. So if you have to calculate national product, then what you will do? You will add NFIA in domestic product. If you have to calculate domestic product, then you have to subtract NFIA from national product. Then what is the third concept? Market price and factor cost. Now, market price is the market value of goods and services. And market value includes indirect taxes and it excludes subsidies. Factor cost subtract whatever subsidy is given, but it does not include what? Indirect tax. Factor cost is the cost paid by the producer to purchase the owners of the factors of production. So factor cost, actually when a producer give a factor payment, then it becomes the income of the owners of the factors of production. So market price and factor cost are differentiated on the basis of indirect tax and subsidies. Then how we calculate? Because subsidies are subtracted from both and indirect tax is included in one and not included in other. So we will calculate indirect tax minus subsidies we will do, and we will get what? Net indirect tax. Net indirect tax is added in market price. Net indirect tax is subtracted from market price. So to calculate market price, we will add net indirect tax in factor cost. To calculate factor cost, we will subtract net indirect tax from market price. Is it clear? This I have explained you people, and I told you in my last video how to calculate the formulas. For each national income aggregate, for GDP, for NNP, for NDP, for GNP, we will calculate two formulas. Because here market price and factor cost is not included. But if it will be GDP MP and GDP FC, if it will be GNP MP and GNP FC, if it will be NDP FC and NDP MP, if it will be NNP MP and NNP FC, then we will get three formulas on the basis of three concepts. But if it will be only GDP, if it will be only GNP, if it will be only NNP, if it will be only NDP, then we will include only, we'll get only two formulas because two concepts are used. Now, I told you the formula to calculate. Now, let us take one by one the national income aggregate. Is it clear? So, take GDP. How will you define GDP? We all take the example of GDP. We have to write the definition of GDP, gross domestic product. How will add? How will write? The money value, it is domestic product. तो यहाँ तुमको क्या देखना है कि it is earned by the resident. It is the money value of all final goods and services produced by residents as well as non-residents within the domestic territory inclusive, it is gross domestic product. So inclusive of depreciation cost in a year is called gross domestic product. What is the meaning of gross national product? जो तुमने ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट में लिखा मनी वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल फाइनल गुड्स, यहां पे भी वही होगा, बट क्योंकि ये नेशनल प्रोडक्ट है तो यहां पे लिखोगे प्रोड्यूस्ड ओनली बाय द normal residents of the country operating either inside or outside the domestic territory. ये G है. So here also inclusive of depreciation cost in a year is called gross national product. Suppose you have to write the meaning of net national product, that is NNP. क्या change करोगे? In place of inclusive you will write exclusive, क्योंकि NNP net concept exclude depreciation cost. So how will you write the meaning of NNP? Everything NNP, so it's national product. तो national product है तो क्या लिखोगे? Produced by the normal residents operating either inside or outside, ये लिखोगे. और बाकी चीजें सेम. So how will you write the meaning of net national product NNP? The money value of all final goods and services produced by the normal residents of the country operating either inside or outside the domestic territory exclusive of depreciation cost. क्यों exclusive? Because it is net concept. Exclusive of depreciation cost in a year is called net national product. How will you write the meaning of net domestic product? How will you write the meaning of net domestic product? It's domestic. तो domestic है तो क्या होगा? Produced by the residents as well as non-residents operating only within the domestic territory. और ये net है तो exclusive of depreciation cost. Is it clear? So what is the meaning of NDP? Net domestic product, the money value of all final goods and services produced by the residents as well as non-residents operating within the domestic territory of the country, exclusive of depreciation cost in a year, is called net domestic product. तो हमने पहले तुमको नेट जीएनपी की मीनिंग बताई, जीडीपी की मीनिंग बताई, एनएनपी की मीनिंग बताई, एनडीपी की मीनिंग बताई. अब हम लोग लिखेंगे, अब नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑल along with the formulas, along with their formulas. Is it clear? Now see, so write down. First we'll start with the first one. We'll first write gross national product. Write down the heading gross national product. Gross national product. And write down the meaning. What is the meaning of gross? It's national, to produce by the normal residents, okay, operating either inside or outside. अगर domestic होता तो क्या लिखते? Produced by the residents as well as non-residents operating domestic within the domestic territory. Is it clear? So GNP की meaning पहले हम लोग start करेंगे. So in the copy write down national income aggregates heading, and first heading write GNP and write on the meaning of GNP. What is GNP? The money value of all final goods and services, it's NP, produced only by the normal residents of the country operating either inside or outside the domestic territory, inclusive of depreciation cost in a year, is called GNP. Full stop. Then we will write the two formulas of GNP. GNP is equal to NNP plus DC, depreciation cost. Second formula, GNP is equal to NDP plus NFIA. So we have completed GNP. Next write down GDP. Next write down GDP. So what is the meaning of GDP? Again, we'll start with the same. The money value of all final goods and services produced by the residents or non-residents operating within the domestic territory of the country, inclusive of depreciation cost in a year is called GDP. Full stop. Then what is the formula? GDP is equal to, G को change करोगे, NDP plus depreciation cost. Second formula. D को change करोगे, GNP. GDP is equal to GNP plus NFIA. Okay, so we have completed GDP. Now we'll write NNP. Write on the meaning of NNP. Okay, what will be NNP? What is the formula meaning of NNP? The money value of all final goods and services produced only by the normal residents of the country, operating either inside or outside the domestic territory. It is N. So exclusive of depreciation cost in a year is called NNP. Full stop. Formula of NNP. NNP is equal to, N को change करोगे, GNP minus depreciation cost. Second formula. NNP is equal to NDP plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Now write on the fourth one, that is NDP. तो ये DP है. So what you will write the meaning of DP, NDP? The money value of all final goods and services produced by the residents or non-residents operating within the domestic territory of the country, exclusive of depreciation cost in a year, is called NDP. Full stop. Then formula write, NDP is equal to GDP plus minus depreciation cost. NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation cost. Second, NDP is equal to NNP minus net factor income from abroad. Is it clear? So we have completed first 4 national income aggregates. ओके, अब हम लोग सारे मार्केट प्राइसेस की मीनिंग लिखेंगे, फैक्टर कॉस्ट की नहीं. फैक्टर कॉस्ट की थोड़ी लैंग्वेज चेंज होगी, वो हम आपको कल बताएंगे. अब नाउ यू राइट डाउन GNP एट मार्केट प्राइस. सो राइट डाउन द मीनिंग ऑफ GNP MP. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग राइट डाउन GNP MP. एग्जैक्टली लाइक GNP MP की मीनिंग जो आपने GNP की लिखी है वही GNP MP की मीनिंग होगी. ठीक है, फॉर्मूलाज 3 होंगे, दैट यू हैव टू राइट. देन यू विल राइट GDP MP. GDP MP की मीनिंग वही होगी जो मीनिंग आपने GDP की लिखी है. क्या लिखी है GDP की मीनिंग? GDP MP की क्या होगी? GDP MP, द मनी वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज produced by the residents or non-residents operating within the domestic territory of the country, inclusive of depreciation cost in a year, is called GDP MP. It's called GDP MP. Then NNP MP. What is the meaning of NNP MP? The money value of all final goods and services produced by the residents of the country operating either inside or outside the domestic territory in a year is called NNP MP. Then you will write NDP MP. NDP MP. What is NDP MP? The money value of all final goods and services produced by the residents or non-residents operating within the domestic territory of the country, exclusive of depreciation cost in a year, is called NDP MP. So we have completed today the meaning of GNP, the meaning of GDP, the meaning of NNP, the meaning of NDP, the meaning of GNP MP, GDP MP, NNP MP, NDP MP. Total 8 meaning along with their formulas we have completed. Now tomorrow I will tell you of factor cost one. Like I'll tell you how to write the meaning of GNPFC, GDPFC, NNPFC and NDPFC. Is it clear? And also I'll tell you to write down the difference between these national income aggregates. So today you will complete the meaning of all these 8 national income aggregates along with their formulas, all of you. Okay, and if you have any problem, then please keep on asking the questions. Okay, so you will complete these 3, and tomorrow I'll complete this chapter, that is national income aggregate. I'll complete this chapter tomorrow, children. For today only this much. Thank you, children.